Are you a finance professional in a business organization? Are you a student pursuing your internship? Are you a student out of your mainstream art course? If you have 50 hours in your hand, if you have rupees 50 per hour, you can learn 50 sections, 50 rules, followed by 25 forms and 10 important notifications of serious impact on GST. Hi all. It has been quite some time, been interacting with various business owners or organization, students, people who are working at middle level and students who are pursuing their internship. On a strong interaction with all these people, a need was felt that there is a gap between the understanding of law and the practical applicability of the law in the business. Having understood this gap, we have discussing with among ourselves with few learned faculties and the organizers. Once post our discussions, we coined a particular course, online interactive virtual course on GST. If you have 50 hours in your hand, which is spread across 2.5 hours a day for about 15 days, we believe that a difference can be made in your life. This particular course, which is an online virtual course on GST, which begins on 27th July and ends by 14th August, daily in the evening at your convenient place through online by using any of your electronic gadgets. You can participate in this course. We have aligned eminent faculties who have hands-on experience on both training as well as the practical aspects, learning the practical aspects. These faculties will deliberate upon a set of topics, starting from the legal background, supply, normal levy, composition levy, time of supply, place of supply, registration, returns, payment of taxes, audit, assessments under GST. In fact, it is not a very simple deliberation like every other videos or other sessions that you have understood. For example, if in case it is going to be a discussion on registration, a live demo of how a registration has to be applied for would be shown. Similarly, in case if it is going to be a discussion on filing of returns or return related provisions, yes, a hands-on experience on what table, what data need to be filled will be spelled out. Similarly, in case of it is a place of supply or time of supply, the interplay between various topics, because many times we read them compartmentally. So seeing a strong need, yes, this course is coined. Who has to pursue this course? Are you a finance professional in a business organization? Or are you an independent finance consultant or a tax consultant? Or are you a GST practitioner? Are you a student pursuing your internship? Are you a student out of your mainstream art course? Then yes, you have to invest your next 50 hours where by Unlock 2.0, you would have a very great learning experiences of these 50 hours. In fact, exclusive 3 doubt clarification session was also coined. So this is all about the course, and all that you need to invest per hour is just rupees 50 per hour. If you have 50 hours in your hand, if you have rupees 50 per hour, I believe and we believe that you can learn 50 sections, 50 rules, followed by 25 forms and 10 important notifications of serious impact on GST in a more beautiful way. If you are interested for this course and you pursue that you have to do this course, then you can register on the link which is given below the description in the description box, or alternatively you can visit the webpage of Let's Make GST Simple and select GST on GST training tab so that the complete details of the course is available. Happy learning.